Alright then, one of the other traders at the market came up to me and asked me could I possibly make something out of what she described to me as a big branch from a eucalyptus tree in her garden. I said, yeah, sure, no problem. And then she brings me in this, which is not what we would call a big branch. But I'm still going to try and do what I said, right? What she wants out of it is a wand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it off to the bandsaw and cut a blank out of here and see if we can turn the bottom of this into a wand. As I said, it's a piece of eucalyptus. I've never torn eucalyptus before, so we'll see how we get on. Right then, seeing as how this is small, I'm only going to use the one camera on it. You'll have to bear with me a bit. I have a head cold, so my voice is a bit off, and I may sneeze. Right, so first thing I'm going to do is try and turn this into a excuse me, is turn this into a wand blank by just get rid of these branches that Right then, we've got it. Managed to get it to round anyway, so that's a start. I have no idea if this is going to split or not after it's done. So it might be weak across there because of that knot. But we keep going to find out. Excuse me a minute, I just need to blow my nose. Start trying to get a bit of shape into this maybe. Just need to put an edge on this. Right then, now we start getting a bit of shape into this. Slightly too high there. I am very slightly too high. I'm watching this very carefully because of those knots in it. Yeah, that's weak there. May not get this one to finish. To be honest, there's only like this piece at the end that is actually big enough to make anything out of. Right, I'm going to put some CA reinforcement there and there because it's not good above those knots. Going to go around and touch all the knots with some thin CA. Try and make it solid. Why do we agree to do these things for people? But it just goes to show the difference between the way some people who aren't wood turners think. It's like this lady, nice lady, class this as a big branch, whereas as wood turners we wouldn't class this as a branch at all, really. Like if, as I said, this came out of our garden, and if it hadn't, I wouldn't even look at this piece of wood to turn it. So if I'm not talking much, I'm really concentrating on my cuts here so that I can try and not break this. This is a really weak piece of wood. I can feel it flexing under the gouge, and I'm not taking big cuts. I'm taking very, very light cuts here. It's probably going to be a little wider than my normal ones. I'm just trying to keep this together. Right, we're getting down to the middle, which is the dangerous part. Right, I'm just going to step it. Oh, I can feel this flexing. I can feel this flexing right there. Right with those knots there. I'm trying to cut without causing any pressure. As I said, this is going to be quite thick for a wand. See it there? Let's try and do something with that. I have absolutely no idea if I'm going to get this to finish or not. I can but try and hope. If I can get through this section, I should be fine. It's so bad in there. Just there. It's so dodgy just there. See, the knot is opening here at the sides. Going to be a bit of sanding in this one because I might end up like that cut isn't as sharp as I'd like it to be, and that one's okay, but it's not as sharp as I'd like it to be, and that tip is still a little on the heavy side. Handle from there. Now I just need to make the pommel here. Try and match it in with the rest of the wand. A little bit more of a curve. That's a bit better. I don't like the shape there. I'm gonna have to try that. This is probably where this is going to explode. Oh, that frightened the crap out of me. What it was, my clip light just bounced off the wall just at the wrong moment. Lord, that made me jump. Right then, get down here to the handle. There's a bit of a bump in that handle as well. I want to get a little kind of curve in that part of the handle there, like so. And I'm just going to shape the hand grip. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's a distinct wobble just there. It's the wood flexing. I'm going to feel it in the gouge. The gouge is bouncing on the wood rather than cutting clean. It's the flex from those knots. Right then. Now I'm going to sand that. Hopefully it stays together while I'm sanding, but you never know. As I said, those knots are making this very, very weak. So I'll sand that and I'll be right back. Right then, I've sanded this down to 400 and burnished it, same as I do with all the ones. This is actually quite a pretty wood. I said I've never turned eucalyptus before, but this is actually quite a pretty wood. There's that part that was giving me trouble. That knot. It goes all the way through. Right, now I just got to part that off. Top part where I pointed off. Hoping it doesn't snap. snap that off and then sand it. Oh, it's actually quite a strong wood. Grab a bit of 80 just to get that down. I don't want to try and cutting that because that is weak. Just grab a small little bit of 80 to get rid of that. As carefully as I can. Walk up the grits. Right, let me part this off and I'll get that end finished. Right, now I can breathe again. It came off the lead in one piece. If I was doing a normal wand, I'd have made it thinner here, but because of that knot, I wasn't 100% sure. Now what I'll do is just sand off the end there. That bit where I cut, just sand that down to make it nice and smooth and pretty. And that will be it. So I'll do that and I'll be right back. Right then, there we have it. A eucalyptus wand that I didn't think was going to make it when I started this. For any of you guys who actually turn a bit of this stuff, is it always this pretty? I'm finding that very pretty. The colours in it and the grain swirls. Well, so as I said at the start of this, I didn't know if this was going to turn out or not. But we kept it together. Okay, we had to go a little bit thicker, but that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. So if you enjoyed that or got that now, if you wouldn't mind clicking like on the video, subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next one.